You might think collagen supplements are the secret to youthful skin, strong joints, and better sleep. But what if I told you there's a simple drink you can make at home, and it rebuilds collagen while you sleep? No expensive pills, no injections, just real food and real science. In this video, you'll discover the nighttime drink that helps your body repair collagen overnight, what not to consume before bed if you want smoother skin and less joint pain, and a bedtime collagen ritual you can feel working in just a few days. If you wake up stiff, sore, or looking more tired than you feel, this could be the missing piece. You know, after age 25, your collagen production starts to decline, and well, after 50, it really drops off a cliff. That's why we often start to see things like sagging skin, fine lines and wrinkles, achy joints, slower muscle recovery, and even weaker bones and nails. Collagen isn't just for beauty, folks, it's actually what holds your entire body together. But here's the good news, you can still support and rebuild collagen, especially while you sleep, when your body does a lot of its repair work. And that's where this bedtime drink comes in. It's a simple way to give your body a little extra help. You've heard of collagen powder, right? But what about gelatin? Gelatin is basically pre-collagen, and when you pair it with the right nutrients, it becomes a really powerful rebuilding tool. So, here's what actually goes into the drink. First, gelatin, just unflavored powder. This stuff provides glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These are the exact amino acids your body needs to rebuild collagen in your joints and skin. Unlike pills, this actually goes straight to work, especially when you take it before bed, during your body's deep repair cycle. Next up, pineapple, and make sure you include the core. Pineapple contains vitamin C, which is necessary for collagen synthesis, and bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and helps absorption. Use the core since it's got the highest bromelain content, and honestly, most people just throw it away. So, let's talk about coyote, also known as sayote. This humble vegetable is actually packed with folate, zinc, and vitamin C. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that support your connective tissue, and as a little bonus, it's hydrating and helps with digestion. When you combine coyote with pineapple and gelatin, coyote water works kind of like a delivery system for collagen repair. Alright, here's the recipe. You'll need 1 packet, which is about 7 grams of unflavored gelatin. Then, half a cup of chopped pineapple, and yes, you want to include the core. Add 1 medium coyote, peeled and diced, and 2 cups of water. If you like, you can also add a squeeze of lemon or a dash of cinnamon for a little extra flavor. Okay, here's how you make it. First, boil the chayote and pineapple in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, strain the liquid into a mug. While it's still hot, stir in the gelatin so it dissolves fully. Let it cool down just a bit, and then sip it before bed. That's really all there is to it. Try drinking this about 1 hour before sleep, 3 to 5 times a week, and just notice how your skin, joints, and even your sleep quality start to change. You know, your body actually does most of its tissue repair during deep sleep, especially between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. This drink supports that process by providing raw materials like gelatin to help repair collagen, boosting blood flow to your skin and joints, reducing inflammation, and even triggering natural growth hormone release, which helps rebuild tissue. If you've tried collagen pills and, well, seen no results, it might be because you're taking them in the morning, not at night when your body actually repairs itself. This drink works with your body's rhythm, not against it. Here's what you might notice after 1 to 2 weeks of this bedtime drink: smoother skin and, yeah, reduced fine lines, less joint stiffness in the morning, better sleep. Thanks to the glycine in gelatin, stronger nails and reduced hair shedding, and even faster post-exercise recovery. These are the signs that your collagen is being replenished naturally, from the inside out. To make this drink work even better, you really want to avoid these common collagen killers at night. First up, alcohol. It dehydrates your skin, disrupts liver detox, and yeah, it actually breaks down collagen. Next, high sugar desserts. Sugar binds to collagen and forms something called AGEs, advanced glycation end products, which stiffen and age your skin. And then there are processed salty snacks. They cause puffiness and interfere with hydration, which slows down tissue repair. If you skip those and replace them with this drink, well, you're setting your skin and joints up for healing while you do nothing but sleep. People who use this drink 3 to 5 nights a week often say things like, "I woke up with less joint pain after 3 nights," or "My skin isn't dry in the morning anymore," and even, "I finally sleep deeper, no tossing and turning." That's the power of feeding your body what it needs at the right time. And for most people over 50, it's not about doing more, it's about doing the right thing, consistently. Not into pineapple or coyote? No problem. Here are 2 other collagen-friendly bedtime drinks you can try. First up, golden collagen milk. Just use unsweetened almond milk, 1 scoop of collagen or gelatin, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper and cinnamon. Warm it up and give it a good stir. It's super relaxing and anti-inflammatory. Next, there's the tart cherry plus gelatin sleep tonic. You'll need half a cup of tart cherry juice, which is a natural source of melatonin, 1 teaspoon of gelatin, and half a cup of warm water. Mix it all together and sip about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Both variations work, but honestly, the coyote and pineapple version gives you the best mix of collagen support, inflammation control, and digestion aid. So here's the question, are you letting your body break down at night, or are you giving it the tools to rebuild? This drink is more than a remedy. It's a ritual. Think of it as a nightly reset for your skin, your joints, and, well, your whole aging process. No pills, no hype, just 3 real ingredients that speak your body's language. Start with 3 nights a week, and honestly, you'll feel the difference within 7 days. Because collagen isn't just about looking young, it's about feeling strong, supple, and pain-free, at every age. Have you tried drinking collagen before bed? Let us know in the comments, or tell us your favorite anti-aging ritual. Like this video if you're ready to add this to your nightly routine. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Curiosity for more natural, age-defying health tips you can actually feel working.